Hi everyone, you watching Non-Veg Indian Cuisine channel, all new fresh recipe from Fehmeeda, and today's recipe is spiral chicken recipe. Please watch this video till the end and do try this recipe. And now let's begin the recipe here. Here I am taking nearly 200 grams of bite-sized pieces of chicken, and these are boneless chicken pieces. Now I'm adding in a teaspoon of salt followed by a pinch of lemon tartary. Now I'm adding in nearly a tablespoon of cornstarch or corn flour. Now in goes a teaspoon of black pepper and a teaspoon of white pepper followed by a teaspoon of soy sauce. Now I'm adding in a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste followed by a 1.5 teaspoon of schezwan chutney, or you can use schezwan sauce also. And now finally I am adding in a pinch of orange red food color here. Now mix it well and let this chicken marinate for half an hour. Keep it aside. And now in another mixing bowl I am taking a cup of all purpose flour. Now I am adding in a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of oregano, followed by a half a teaspoon of red chili flakes. Give it a dry mix. Now I am adding in nearly 2 teaspoons of oil. Now rub this oil into the flour for at least 5 minutes until the flour becomes crumbly. Now add water gradually and knead a soft dough here. The dough should be soft but stiff. Give it a good knead. Now cover the dough and keep it to rest for 1 hour. And now in the meanwhile soak some bamboo sticks in water for half an hour. Now you can see after half an hour the chicken is well marinated over here. Give it a good mix and now skew the chicken pieces onto the skewer. 3 bits of chicken pieces would be enough. You can see how I am doing in the video. Now skew all the bamboo sticks here and keep them aside. And now after skewing the meat, it's time to take out the dough after 1 hour. Now place the dough over the working surface and give it a good knead. And roll the loaf of dough and start cutting out the dough into equal portions. Here I have cut them out into 8 to 10 equal portions. And now start rolling out one portion in a oblong shape over the working surface. Roll a thin sheet and then trim the edges and give it a perfect rectangle shape. Now remove the trimmed edges and now place the skewed meat over the sheet and then seal the skewer with the rolled out sheet. You can see in the video how I am doing. Now seal the endings and the edges. Seal the skewer properly and now mark some deep parallel cuts over the skewer. Do this process very gently. Mark some deep cuts over. And now you can see it's perfectly done. Now keep it aside. Now I'm showing you the repeated process over here. Fold the edges, seal them properly, and now fold the endings like those you see in the toffees. Like toffees, fold the endings of the skewer. And mark some deep parallel cuts over the skewer. Now this technique would give it a shape of spiral. Now you can see the spiral shape has formed over the skewer. Now I had already prepared some of them. Now deep fried all these skewers in hot oil over a low medium flame until the skewers becomes golden brown in color. Do not overcrowd the wok and fry all these skewers in batches. And now dish out all these skewers and serve hot with Schezwan sauce or cheese sauce. So guys, if you really like all these recipes, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon as well. And once again, thanks for watching my video. Stay with me for many more recipes in Bakra Eid special series. So until next video, bye. Allah Hafiz.